Yeah, good morning, students. So, as you all know that we were doing our economics first chapter, that was development, and few of the topics were left at that time. One of the topic which was left at that time was sustainable development. So now we are doing this topic. So in sustainable development, what we are trying to focus on our future generation ki what resources we are having right now we can preserve or we can store those resources for our future generation. So as we have seen from the last videos that whatever the things which we have done for the purpose of development, or whatever the parameters which we have used for the purpose of development, at last what we are trying to focus on, we are trying to focus on sustainability of development. Like whatever the development which we have achieved, we have to maintain that development, the pace of development that we have to maintain for our future generation. So as earth is our planet and it provides all the things we need for our existence, the food and necessities are obtained by all the living organisms which exist on this earth. All the living organisms including humans are dependent on the basic resources found on the earth environment. So what we are trying to see is कि whatever the things which are present naturally on earth, we are focused or we are depending on those things for the purpose of development. Global population is on the rise and the people are living longer now due to the increase in the life expectancy. The world population has increased many folds from 1 billion in 1804 to 7 billion in 2011. So life expectancy has also been raised up, because that is also a parameter in human development index. So because of that, the people are living longer life, all the medical care and medical facilities they are availing. So because of that, life expectancy has been raised up. However, this home has limited resources and our collective future will depend upon the successful management and use of these resources. Today, the supply of these resources is declining while the demand of different other things has been raised up. Why it is raised up? Because humans are trying to create different things. So because of that, the demand of everything, because the population has been raising up, so because of that demand is also raising up. So erosion of farmlands, excessive and overuse of ground and surface water, diminishing supply of fossil fuels and extinction of plants and animal species exposes the earth ability to provide resources to meet the need of humans. We must therefore need to preserve our motherland, the preservation. So what we are trying to focus here, we are trying to focus on what we are trying to focus on preservation. Preservation we are talking about. Preservation means whatever the things which are present here, we are trying to focus these things for our future generation. So that is the meaning here, that we are preserving those things. So now directly we are coming to the main point. What is sustainability? Sustainability means avoiding the depletion of natural resources in order to maintain an ecological balance. It is concerned with preserving or maintaining resources and using them wisely and judiciously. Everything that we need for our survival and well-being depends directly or indirectly on our natural environment. Sustainability is to create and maintain the condition under which human and nature can exist in productive harmony to support present and future generation. So here is the the entire concept is given here. What we are preserving different things for our future generation. That is the meaning of sustainability. Sustainable development refers to the utilization of resources by the present generation in a wise manner. So what we are including here, wise manner we are including here. Wise manner means कि in a very proper way that we have to use here, because we have to keep these resources for our future generation. That is the important thing here. That is the actual meaning of sustainability of development. Whatever the development we have achieved, we have to maintain the level of that development for our future generation. Only because of that thing we can achieve the main aim of sustainable development. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. It contains within it two key concepts: the concept of needs, in particular the essential needs of the world's poor, to which overriding priority should be given, and the idea of limitation imposed by the state of technology and social organization on the environment's ability to meet present and future need. So in sustainability, what we are trying to focus, we are trying to focus on our present, as well as we are trying to focus on our future needs. That is the core concept here, ki why we are focusing on sustainable development. Whatever the things which we have achieved in the process of development, that we have to preserve, that we have to maintain for our future generation. That is the core concept here. That is the meaning of sustainability of development. That is the meaning of sustainability of development here. Okay students, now this entire topic has been covered right now. One more topic, that is public facility, which is left, that I will include in my next video. Thank you.